What if I jump into the Bermuda Triangle, not as a dare, not as a stunt, but as an experiment? A place that has survived centuries of stories, disappearances, and half-explained incidents. A place where ships didn't just sink, they stopped making sense. Before assuming monsters or aliens, we need to go much further back in time, about 66 million years ago. When the asteroid hit Earth and wiped out the dinosaurs, it released an amount of energy so massive that it didn't just destroy life. It reshaped the planet itself. The impact was equivalent to billions of nuclear bombs detonating at once. Shockwaves traveled through the Earth's crust, pressure ripped through the atmosphere, and for a brief moment, the planet experienced forces it was never designed to handle. Some physicists believe events of that scale could temporarily distort space, time, and electromagnetic fields. Not permanently, but enough to leave scars. Now imagine this. What if that impact didn't just create craters and extinctions, but also weak points in reality itself? Pockets where space-time became unstable, like microscopic tears that never fully healed. Most of them collapsed instantly. But what if one didn't? What if one survived, buried beneath layers of ocean and time? The Bermuda Triangle sits in one of the most geologically and magnetically complex regions of the Atlantic. The ocean floor there is uneven, fractured, and active. Magnetic north doesn't behave normally in that region. Compasses drift. Navigation systems fail, not always, but unpredictably. That's important, because if this were just bad weather, failures would be consistent. But they're not. So what happens if I jump there? I don't disappear instantly. Nothing dramatic happens at first. The water feels normal, gravity feels normal, but instruments would begin to act strange before my body ever does. Direction becomes unreliable. Time perception might feel slightly off, not enough to notice immediately, but enough to disorient. If there really is an unstable pocket, some residual distortion from an ancient cosmic event, it wouldn't swallow things whole. It would interfere, slowly. Ships reported losing communication before vanishing. Planes reported compass failure before radar loss. Not destruction, confusion. As if reality itself couldn't decide where those objects belonged. If I jump into the Bermuda Triangle, the danger might not be drowning. It might be displacement. Not teleportation like movies show, but something worse, partial misalignment. Being here, but not fully here. Present, but not anchored. And if that sounds impossible, remember this. We already know space and time can bend. We've measured it. We've proven it. We just assume it only happens far away, near black holes or stars. But the dinosaur-killing asteroid was a planetary-scale event. Earth felt it everywhere. Maybe the Bermuda Triangle isn't a place where things disappear. Maybe it's a place where reality never fully recovered. So if I jump in, the real question isn't will I vanish? The real question is, will reality know where to put me?